This is Module 2 of the PCS Hazard Communication Training, November 2013. On the previous slide, we left off with the outline of the current PCS Hazardous Communication Standard Program. We're going to take an opportunity now to review those components in a little more detail. The first component is the responsibility for maintaining files. As you can see by the highlighted portion of the lead into the program, the project manager is responsible for this, although they can delegate that to the project superintendent and or project engineer as need be. The project superintendent certainly needs to be fully aware of the program and where the file is kept on the project, making sure that training is provided for any new PCS employees that come to the site, and that subcontractors are also trained on the various components of this program. The next item is the hazardous material inventory log, referred to in the second paragraph here. It should be available for inspection at all times and be kept up to date, and even distributed with the meeting minutes of either the field progress or contractor coordination meeting minutes. That log looks like this and is available in electronic format. Needs to be updated as new products, new chemicals come on site, and we get the material safety data sheets from our subcontractors, or in the case of a PCS agency project, from the prime contractors. It should be updated on a regular basis, and at the end of the project, the date off-site should be completely filled out for every chemical that is on that log, because at that point in time there should be no known chemicals left on that site. The commitment of PCS to provide the hazard program is listed here. I'll let you read that on your own. The commitment, or the access portion of that, is here, and it basically says that all employees are entitled to access to this program and the specific MSDS that are on the project that they're working on, and as well as OSHA, and any compliance officer of OSHA are entitled to see that. The labeling portion is here. It's in compliance with the current OSHA standard, and so is the material safety data sheets. Those sheets look like this, and you will note that there are 7 sections in this current format that OSHA uses. Right now, the standard is performance-based, and so contractors are not required to use this specific format. This is something that OSHA recommends. The new standard will have specific information and a specific format that is required. The final portion, well, the employee training and the requirements are listed here. We talked about those a little bit beforehand, and then the multi-employer site policy. Important here that not only should all contractors working under either our management on an agency project or under our direct subcontract agreements on a builder's project, but also the site owner and additional contractors that they may hire that are not under our jurisdiction need to be made aware of this program, where the information is found on the job site. So again, that is why it's important that the project superintendent be the one that is in charge of the document. With the time we have left on this module, we'll introduce the revised standard, which is now aligned with the United Nations globally harmonized system of classification and labeling of chemicals, referred to as the GHS. It's important to note that this is a system for classifying, not the actual OSHA standard. And the modified standard provides a single set of harmonized criteria for classifying chemicals according to their health and physical hazards, and specifies hazard communication elements for labeling and safety data sheets. And with that, we will close module number 2.